the hole. Perfect. Alright, this is part number 4. This is the caplet. Holds the resonator in place. Set it on top. Very good. Give it a little squeeze and then check it on the machine. They tell me it's on. There you go. You have assembled your own stop counterclockwise all the way. It's going to take 2 hands. A little bit more. Good. Alright. Not so shiny. So put the shiny mylar down. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Yep. Alright, set that caplet on top. And I'll give it a check on the machine. And there you go.
When I'm proud.